this is the pelvic bone. Right here we have the ilium part, the ischium part, and the pubis part. And the way to orient this is this bony surface is going to be articulating with the sacrum like that. And so the pubis will point anteriorly. That's the acetabulum, that hole. And so this is the right pelvic bone. And so some landmarks. We have the obturator foramen, the iliac spine, the superior anterior iliac, this is the iliac crest. This is the superior anterior iliac spine, inferior anterior iliac spine, greater sciatic notch, lesser sciatic notch. And then this is the ischial spine, ischial tuberosity is this protuberance. And this is the pubis. It's the anterior surface, and this is posteriorly. Okay, now we'll be moving on to the muscles. So first we have 111A, the iliacus muscle, which originates on this surface right here. And then 111B, the psoas major muscle, which originates here on one of the lumbar vertebrae. And they both form the iliopsoas muscle. And then we have the pectineus muscle right here along the pubis. And then we have the rectus femoris, which is right along here, 122A. It also is here, which is part of the quadriceps. And then we have 117 on the inside of this obturator foramen. We have the obturator internus along the interior. And then we have the sartorius, which is right right here, the sartorius. This little person right there. And then 115, the tensor fasciae lata, right here. And then the gluteus medius, 113, right along the top. And then gluteus minimus and gluteus maximus, 112, which is right here. And then we have latissimus dorsi. The origination for that is right here, number 47. And then we have the gemellus superior and inferior muscles, which are right here, 118 and 119. So gemellus superior and inferior muscles, right by the ischium. And then we have the biceps femoris muscle, which is going to be 130, which is right here, biceps femoris, right along the ischial tuberosity. And then we have (130A), which is the long head. Okay, and then 131, we have the semitendinous muscle. 132, the semimembranous muscle. 120, we have the quadratus femoris, which is right there. (125), we have the adductor longus, which is right here. And then 126, we have adductor brevis, right next to it. 127, adductor magnus. And then 128, the gracilis muscle, right on the very inferior side. And then 129, we have the obturator externus, which is on this side, more externally on the obturator foramen, whereas the obturator internus was right there. And this is the obturator externus. And then we also have the obturator internus here as well. And that should be most of the muscles. One more thing, the gluteus maximus. It also originates along the sacrum right here, as well as right here. And just to orient yourself,